Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to edit Word document on iPhone. First, let's go to the App Store and let's search for Docs. And you might have tried downloading the Microsoft Word app, but if you didn't, unfortunately, it needs a subscription for you to be able to edit a Word document within your phone. So as an alternative, you have to download the Google Docs app right here. And once you have downloaded it, you can then go to our files and locate on where your Word file is. And once you have opened it, you would be able to preview it, but still you won't be able to edit the Word app within the Files app. So what we're going to do is to click on this share icon at the bottom left, and you should be able to see the Docs app in here. If not, you can just scroll through the left and look for the Docs app and click on it, and it will then be imported to your Google Docs app. After you have done that, it will then automatically open. And once it loads, you can then click on this pencil icon at the bottom right, and you would be able to type in and make any edits as you like to your Word document. And that is how you can basically edit Word document on iPhone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.